Hey guys, this is Satish from MSIT Park. So in this session we are going to discuss converting text to speech project. So let's get started. Okay, to do this project we need to install GTTS package. Okay, so now we are installing GTTS package. Okay, okay, see, successfully installed. Beautiful. So that means we have installed GTTS package. Okay, so now go to the current file directory and open terminal, and first see text file. What we have text in that file? So we have text is run this command to install GTTS package $pipe3 install GTTS. Okay, so now let's run a Python file. Okay, Python 3 and file name. Okay, when we run Python file, automatically one audio file will be generated. So that is okay. So now we'll play and listen.
Run this command to install GTTS package $pip3 install GTTS.
Okay, it is successfully converted text into speech. Okay, so now once again we will run and listen. Okay, so that I'm writing here, once again we will run and listen. Okay, just save the file. So that audio file is edited. So again listen.
Run this command to install GTTS package $pip3 install GTTS. Once again we will run and listen.
Okay, now also it converted successfully, right? Yep. So and one more thing I'll show you here. See, so now I am deleting this audio file. Okay, so here I want to show you what I want to show you is, so we'll take the text from user and we'll listen. Okay, so run this file. Yeah, okay, so enter text to convert into speech. Hello guys, if you like this project, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so when we enter, so we will get that audio file. Yeah, see, audio file is generated, so we'll listen that file. Okay,
Hello guys, if like this project please subscribe my channel.
okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe and press bell icon to get updates. Thank you.